Almost every electrical plug on an automobile has some type of over-engineered safety clip that takes longer to figure out how to release than the entire project takes to complete. Well, here's how you disconnect the clips on a fuel injector. The best tool for this job is a long, skinny, flathead screwdriver. Come into the side of the fuel injector plug, slide the screwdriver between the red and black pieces of plastic, and twist it either forward or backwards. Now you can squeeze the little black clip there, and it pops right off. Without the little red tab out of the way, you'll never be able to squeeze the little black thing here on the side. That's what holds it in place, because I guess they thought we needed that. Here's a basic close-up of the procedure. We take our flat screwdriver, and we insert it here on the side of the clip, and like I said, you either twist it forward or you twist it backward, your choice, and the little red clip will pop right up. So, instead of tracking down the people who designed these things and beating them within an inch of their lives, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to take off a few more. We'll come in on the side of this fuel injector here in the front, this one right here, and slip it in the side, right there, twist, red clip pops right up, you can squeeze the black button, plug, disconnects. Just that easy. Well, that's 2 down. I've got 4 more to go. Let's get them all knocked out. The longer the screwdriver that you use, the better angles that you can get. Sometimes your fuel injectors may be twisted or whatever. So, again, you can kind of come in at any angle there. Come on at the side, little twist, they pop up. There you go. Right there, little twist, pops up. All of those now come out very easily. Hey, if the video helped, thumbs up would be cool. Follow us on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.